We are assembling the pumpkin flower box card. So I have already glued together almost all the flowers. I just left one of each one to do. So these, you have 3 of these flowers that I did in like a burgundy red, and they just have a center glued to them. Then you have 4 sunflowers, and they have 4 pieces. We're just going to glue these together, just like this. So they're very straightforward. One of these flowers is for the front of the card. On the backings here, you can see here that's the petals to the sunflower. And then this one has 2 of these. Okay, and I think that I'm going to put these on with foam dots. I like the added dimension here with these. You'll also note on the layers that, and I'll pick it up and show you here in just a second, that one layer is higher than the other. You can see these are taller. I'll show you from the back. See, these are taller, so this is your back layer, the taller ones. The shorter layer is the front. Do 2 on this one. Hopefully it's not too much for the card. Shouldn't be. There, that's better. Okay. So then we've got our card. And you'll see that, you'll notice there's a straight edge there, and you just want to line this tab up to that straight edge. it in there exactly. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and put this piece on the back. And let's go ahead and do the inserts. Start with the back one. I'm just going to line that right up to there. Make sure I'm putting it in the right way. That would be horrible to glue it in the wrong place. Okay. Now we're going to lay the next layer just right in front of that one. Put some glue here on the tab. There we are. Carefully lift this over. Because of your added dimension, you just want to make sure your layers are lining up correctly. Put some glue here on these tabs. Lay this side down flat on the table. And I'm just making sure I'm lined up here across the bottom. Fold that both ways, and then glue it shut. There. Okay, now you notice that we have these straight edges, and those are going to be covered by this piece. Okay, so I'm going to put the glue just on this because there is a little bit of overhang on each side. Of this piece when it goes on. Just take a few seconds, make sure you have that lined up well. Then push that into place. There we are. See, it's just a very slight overhang, just enough to round those edges. Now these two pieces I am going to use foam tape on. You might need a, if you use as much dimension as I'm using, you might need more than a flat envelope for this. You might need a chunky I'm hoping I don't have that much dimension. There. Now for the flower on the front, I'm going to ink the edges a little bit here for my leaf. And I'm just going to fold these edges a little. Decide where I want to put it. Yeah. Actually, I think I want to put it towards the bottom. Lay my square on there first because of the dimension I have there. I need to get that one in place and then just place my flower on it. There we go. And that is the flower pumpkin box card. Thank you for joining me.